Good morning, everyone, and welcome, or good day, everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm a morning person, so. I'm Reed, and this is Reed's Beauty Trip. And this is a happy birthday, get ready with me for my wonderful friend, Amanda, who I just adore. And, I haven't known her long, but I've just so fallen in love with her videos and just everything about her, and she's a doll baby. She's like a Bratz doll baby though, because like randomly comments that she makes, I start dying laughing. I don't know how else to word it. So we're going in and we're doing a look in honor of Amanda for her birthday. So we are gonna play with some color today, because she is a pink and turquoise, and some of her other looks too. These are some of her favorite colors. Some of the looks I like seeing her in too. I may sneak in. I don't know. We're gonna see how this look goes. We're gonna play with it a little bit. So I'm gonna break out my Care Bear thing, and we're gonna go in with Wish Bear. We're going to build up some stuff with Wish Bear. It's a little bit of turquoise. So here's the thing. I filmed this once and it didn't save it. So we're going round two. Amanda. Amanda is just such a wonderful person. She's so sweet. I just adore her. And one of the things I adore about her is she's who she is. One, she loves animals. I love animals. She just makes me smile when I see her videos. She doesn't look her age. To me, she's like 25, and she's not. She's older, and I didn't believe her. I'm like, are you yanking my chain? But yeah, she's older, and I just can't believe it. I told her, I was like, no. Then we're gonna go in with Grumpy Bear, which is a little bit of a blue, but I want to darken up this spot just a little bit. So we've got a little bit of that going on. I rearranged my palettes because I was showing off some of them that I have out that I don't have packed up right now. Okay. So going in with one of my little MAC palettes. This is Fotos y Recuerdos. We're just gonna pink this puppy up. This is an old Selena shadow. So I'm just kind of patting that on. This is just gonna be a fun, colorful look. And then I've got a little bit of like an I want to put some on my under eye too, layering it. So I'm not going too crazy with this look. I'm having a little bit of fun with it, but I'm like not going, oh. Where is my, I have a really fun, oh, there we go. Here we go. And this is my Maybelline Graffiti Pop. And we're gonna line a little bit of a smidgen. We're gonna do a smidgen. Bring it in. I always like how this one, because my eyes are not exactly how I want them when I do them. So there's that. And then we're going to bring in a little bit of this is my BH highlights. And this is in Psych. It's a nice fun pink. So we're going to kind of bring that up. Just kind of really bring some sparkle. Because if you see some of Amanda's looks, every time I think about it, there's this green eye look she did. I can't remember which project she did that in, and I loved it. And the sparkle and stuff like that. And I know, like, one of the goodies that she got from a friend, she opened it up and there was sparkle flying everywhere in the video. I mean, I think she had to film another video and there was still glitter galore. So it was just, every time I think of it, I think of that green glitter. If I had my way, I would be doing a green glitter look. But everybody was like, oh, she loves pink and turquoise and stuff like that. So we're doing pink and turquoise. So I softened it a little bit with that. But there's some sparkle going on. And I'm going to add a little bit of this eye crayon. Just to brighten it up just a little bit, but I don't want to put it directly on there. So I'm kind of bringing in this pink, bringing it out a little bit more. I'm just using a flat brush just to really, so if it was like my finger, that's what it would do. To give it more of that oomph. So put that little guy on there. And then I'm going to use my pH, one of my lip changing since I have to wear face masks and stuff. This doesn't seem to as bad get all over my face. And then I was looking for my Karl Lagerfeld. Oh, there it is. I'm gonna put some of my L'Oreal Karl Lagerfeld. We're gonna line. It's a pretty gunmetal, so keeping the look still. nice, simple. Just a little accent, just a little sparkle. Because to me, Amanda, she sparkles. So that's important to me to show that. Just kind of bring out my liner. Whew. So definitely check out Amanda. Check out the other ladies that are doing birthday wishes for Miss Amanda, because we all love her and she is such a sweetheart, and I'm just excited to be a part of this because she means a lot to me as a friend. So I just want to make sure that she knows that and that she's appreciated. So I love you, Amanda. Happy birthday.